Hello everyone. Today I'll give you a tour of a matching activity tool which is based on our pattern matching AI algorithm. So if you can see my screen, this is the tool where you have to log in with your username and password and you will be able to see the tool. But before that, let's give you an overview of what kind of data we are going to supply to this tool in order to get the output on the basis of my pattern matching. So now let me show you. This is my raw data. If you can see, this data contains some material information which have some material number, description and manufacturer. Now I need the global information of these materials. The global information contains the global number and other manufacturer information. Now the matching which I want is on the basis of these manufacturer number. If you can see this D column. So on the basis of this manufacturer number, I need to fetch the information. Now if I do it manually, it will take a lot of time. Let me show you my global data. Now this is my global data and this is huge. Now here, if you see, I need this global number and these different kind of manufacturer information, and I want to match these manufacturer with these 5 manufacturers present here. So if any of these matches, it should give me the output. Now let's see how this tool will work. Now let's log in into the tool. So you can type here your user ID and password, and click on login. So once you log in, you can see you have logged into the tool, the matching activity tool. Now let's choose the file, your raw data file. So here you can see choose file. Let's click on choose file. This is my raw data input. Okay, once you choose the file, you click on upload. If you don't know the format, here you can see the download sample file, in which format the file should be uploaded. Now I've choose my file. Now let's upload it. Click on upload. It will take time, and then now this file is uploaded. You will get a message. Click OK. Now once the file is uploaded, you can see this button, start processing. You have to click here. Once you click it, this button, now it has started the processing. Means now the algorithm has started processing. It is doing the pattern matching in the background. So as I have given you an overview at the start, that I have to match my manufacturers with the other manufacturers, and if it matches, I should get the output. I should get the global information in my output file. So now that is going on. So it is trying to fetch the matching data from the global info. Now it will take few minutes because the global info is my trained data which I have already supplied to it. So now the processing is going on. Now once it is done, you will get a message here, processing done successfully. Let's click OK. Now once it is done, you can see below you have got one tab and it is giving you an option to export the result. So let's click on this export button. Now see, the file is exported. Let's open the file. Okay, if you can see here, I have got the exported file. Let's apply filter. Now if you can see, this was my input data. So my input columns are already present here. The material number, description, manufacturer information, that 4 columns. And if you can see from here, from column F till S, I have got new columns. Now this from F to R are my global informations, which are fetched from the global data, which I have showed in the beginning. That was my trained data. Now if you have noticed, the output file also contains a status column. So after the pattern matching algorithm is done, it is giving me a status column as well to filter out the records. Now let's see which type of statuses are present here. Let's open the filter. Now if you can see, we have got three different types of filters: contains match, exact match, and reverse match. Now how this is different, let's do check one by one. Let's click on contains match. Now let's now if you remember, these four columns are from my input file, and we wanted the data to be fetched on the basis of this manufacturer number. So if you can see, the status simply justifies contains match. Now how it does, if you see this manufacturer part number, this number is part of this manufacturer, that means it contains the data. So on that basis it has fetched. Then same goes for this, and so on. So these manufacturer are part of this manufacturer, and on that basis these records were fetched, the global info was fetched. Now let's check the next status. The next one is the exact match. Exact match means exactly the same. So let's see this first record. If you note, observe this record, and this manufacturer is matching exactly the same. Then this one, then this one, exactly the same records are match, and on that basis all the complete information is fetched. Now let's check the third one. The third status is very interesting, and it is a reverse match. Now reverse match is something we are fetching the data by matching this manufacturer in this manufacturer part. Means if this manufacturers, any of the five manufacturer is part of this, the input file manufacturer part number, or part of any description. So mostly you can see this all records, you can see this is part of this number 1146, it's part of this, so it is fetched. This 2581 is part of this, so it is fetched, and so on. So this is nothing but our pattern matching algorithm. And here it has also give me the records which are not matched, so that it is pretty clear that there are some records which are not matched, means there are no manufacturer information exactly same or contains or any part of it either in the description or in the manufacturer. So this is our matching activity tool based on the AI pattern matching algorithm. Thank you.